Chinese ladies who are now exercising at night, dancing in Shanghai to the tune of Chinese music. This is exercise and also entertainment. That's what they do at night in the halls of Shanghai, on the streets of Shanghai, as I say. Love to dance, these Chinese.